Hello guys, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'm going to tell you how to fix that earbuds SOUNDCORE Aerofit Pro don't respond or respond solely to the controls in these earphones. So actually this issue is really quick to fix. At first open the case lid and now try checking if here everything clicks nice. If it does, don't do anything. But if you feel some for example tension or here, or if you can't click the button, that's something that you have to worry about, because you have to contact device support and have it fixed. But if you don't feel anything and you can just click everything nice, you have to restart your device, restart your phone, and reset your headphones to the factory settings. Hold this button for 10 seconds like this, and everything should be factory resetted. Your phone, you'll just have to pair your headphones again with your phone. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.